In this video, we're going to look at the various elements we can use to style text in HTML. We're going to move through these pretty quickly as they are all pretty straightforward. First, let's look at the bold element. Wrapping text in this element will make it bold. Similar to the bold element is the strong element. The strong element will also make text bold, but it is used on text that has more importance or significance than the surrounding text. Next, we'll look at the italic element. Wrapping text in this element will make the text italic. Similar to the italic element, the emphasis element will also make text italic, but is used on text that should be emphasized in relation to surrounding text. Now let's look at the superscript and subscript elements. These elements make text appear smaller. The superscript element raises the baseline of the contained text, whereas the subscript element lowers the baseline of the contained text, like such. Looking at the mark element, this element can be used to provide a highlighting effect on the text contained within it. The delete element will place a strike through the text contained within it, whereas the insert element will place an underline under the text contained within it. Lastly, we'll look at the small element, which will render whatever text contained with it slightly smaller than normal. For example, if we use the small element with the P element, the text contained within the small element will be slightly smaller than the text contained within the P element, but outside of the small element.